Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans and Where the Heck Are the Albans? We're at home and we are continuing our Advent calendar project. Palooza. So, on the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Lilo and Stitch socks.
Woo! Okay. We've got Lilo and Stitch. And apparently, we've
Vivi.
got Fiona. We've got Audrey. Everybody's making everybody's making an appearance today. Okay, so we have the Lilo and Stitch 15 days of socks. All right, you want to open it on up? And they got Live Like Stitch over here.
Don't we always?
But we've got these go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like awesome.
Very cute.
Okay, so first one, it just says, "Do your best Stitch impersonation."
Oh God.
Can you do it, Viv?
Can I?
Go for it.
Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind. Forgotten.
I'm waiting for my family.
Pretty good. Okay, so socks number 1.
This family is broken.
It's a little broken.
The socks are always so hard to open.
Get it, food. Juja! Ha!
All right.
Ooh, those got sparkles on them.
Yes, they do.
I like sparkle socks. That was my
There you
nickname in
go.
high school, sparkle socks.
That's what you think. All right.
Very
Number 1,
cute.
cute.
Ha.
All right, number 2.
Ohana means family.
Have dessert for dinner.
Whoa.
Stitch loves cake.
I love cake. See,
cake.
there's very little difference between me and Stitch.
Ohana means
Means
family.
family. Okay, number 2.
Nice.
I ripped.
Okay. Oh, look at those.
And here with his little guitar.
It's
Little-
a ukulele.
Little guitar.
All right. Number 3.
Child.
Send a postcard to a faraway family member. I think the most faraway family member would probably be in Minnesota or Tennessee.
Don't you think Florida's a little farther than Minnesota?
Oh,
or
yeah,
Tennessee?
that's right. We've got one of them there, too, don't we? Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
All right,
here.
number 3.
Them on a surfboard.
Okay. Yeah, looks like you can just kind of pull them out, maybe.
Rip its guts up.
There you go.
Oh, I like those.
Ooh, these are nice. Look at that.
Him with the little sandwich.
Are you going to say that on everything? Come here, you. Get
All
over
right.
here.
With a little sandwich.
You stop.
Okay.
Little.
Number 4. Learn to hula. Search for online tutorials.
Oh,
All right.
where the heck are the Albans? Learning how to hula. Hula.
Ooh,
Those are some.
those are some pretty
I got some
socks.
hibiscus flowers on 'em.
Hibiscus. But I don't see any stitch. Is stitch on them at all?
No.
No,
No.
they're hibiscus.
Just hibiscus. All right.
That's okay because they're in Hawaii.
That's right.
Oh, and don't you have relatives in Hawaii?
Oh, that's right. We do have relatives in Hawaii. I've got a cousin that lives there.
So maybe-
So I think that would be the farthest off
Well.
relative. All right, number 5.
You just have a
Host an Ohana game night.
Oh, well,
Okay.
we've done that.
Yep. We actually have done that.
Lilo.
Lilo.
Ugh.
Cute.
You know how to do it, Viv, right? Yep, there she is. Look at that. Cute.
Lilo.
All right. Number 6. Tell a family member you love them.
I love you.
I love you too.
She wasn't talking to you.
Hey!
It's like a family member.
Not all of them. Okay, I want any ones that if Lilo says Elvis, they're mine. Can we agree to that?
If they're Elvis, they're mine.
No. You can't fit in these socks, dum-dum.
I like the cookies. I like the cookie one. That's fine.
He kind of looks like
Cute.
Cookie Monster.
All right.
He is.
Number 7. I'm sorry I bit you and pulled your hair and punched you in the face. And number 7 over here is smile at a stranger.
I have to tell that Vivi. I should put that on a t-shirt for Vivi. I'm sorry.
Sorry I bit you and pulled your hair. And punched you in the face.
Yeah, you gotta go tell that to your sister right now.
Every day.
Every day. Uh-oh. I think
What the?
this is the ones your moms are gonna want. Or your mom's gonna want.
If they're Elvis,
It's sticky.
oh, they got glued in.
Yeah, you got a little glue on them. But oh no, they're not. Well,
They're not Elvis.
but
No.
he's got his glasses on. So.
Well, I won't steal her socks unless they're Elvis. So
All
she's
right.
got that going for her.
Number 8. That's cute. And number 8 over here. Frame your most recent family photo.
Does a book count?
Yeah.
I can't open this one.
Having trouble with that one?
I can't open it.
Can't do it? Okay.
Oh, it's Ohana.
No one gets
No
left
one
behind.
gets left behind. That's
Not even Vivi's.
Not even.
all right.
That's like my favorite
What are we on? Number 9?
Number 9.
Number 9.
Number nine.
There we go.
Plan a luau themed party or dinner.
No, thank you.
We can go to Tiki
That
Terrace.
would be Plan 9 from outer space. No, sorry. We could go to
Tonch Tiki
the
Hut.
Tiki
We've been to Tong's Tiki Hut.
Tong's Tiki Hut. Yeah,
Or we could go to Tiki Terrace.
yeah, they have a live show.
Rick Sausalito was there this last weekend.
Ooh.
Okay, maybe.
Oh, I don't know. Does he have the bra on his head? No.
All right. Those are
If,
super cute. Look at that.
Those are very cute.
if he had a bra on his head, those are mine.
Okay.
Okay, number
I did say I only want
10?
the Elvis ones.
10.
That's this big long one right there. And number 10 over here. Learn your favorite phrase in Hawaiian.
Ohana.
Ohana.
Pass the poi, mahu. Go, 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 do, do, go, do.
Come on.
All right.
I got it. Best Hawaiian phrase. Book 'em, Dano.
Book 'em, Dano. That is a great Hawaiian phrase.
Ohana
Means family.
Hana means family.
and family means no one gets left behind or forgotten.
Cute. Those are nice. Okay.
This family is broken. But
And what do we got next? 11.
yep.
It goes up to 11.
Listen to your favorite artist or album.
What's that,
And
Glee?
this is
No,
11.
not Glee.
The Beatles. There you go.
There you go.
And not the Glee singing Beatles.
But hey, Jude. Okay. We're gonna have to.
Can't get it?
No.
Grab the scissors. There you go.
Why is this one so hard?
Oh my gosh.
They spot welded that one.
I did.
Those better be good Elvis ones then.
They're not Elvis.
Dang. Oh, those are cute. They got
Oh.
sparkles on them too. Sparkle socks.
Sparkle,
Here,
sparkles.
Undo the top there. There you go. Careful, lay it here. It's a little more flat. Look at that, it is so cute. All right, what's the number next?
Don't leave me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. 12.
Whoa.
Visit or volunteer at your local animal shelter.
Oh, then we come home with a lot more animals. Than
Yeah.
I could ever-
Exactly. We're better off just donating. Because if we go there, we don't come home alone.
We did just donate a car to the ASPCA.
We did.
Oh, sure, they put the stupid sister on it, but not Elvis.
There we go.
They're surfing.
Surfing USA.
That's not a very good likeness.
All right, 13 is right
Lucky
there.
13.
take a nap on a hammock.
No, I've done that.
I've done that too.
Yeah.
This one
All right.
may look like Elvis.
They're doing the Elvis dance.
They're doing a hula.
No, that's when they did
They're
Elvis.
doing a luau.
Oh no. What the front?
Dreams come true in blue Hawaii.
Oh, they're so soft.
Look at that. Oh, wow. That is
Oh, they're
so
fuzzy.
so fuzzy. Nice.
Those are very cute. And he's got his little frog
He's got
guy.
his little frog. Yeah.
And Audrey.
Hi, Audrey.
Oh, boo, boo, boo.
She never looks at the camera, though. No.
Don't you
Hey,
dare.
you.
She's a diva. What can
Okay.
you say?
Yeah. All
Audrey,
right.
what would you like
A
on the
falling
grocery list?
star.
14. A
Can-
falling star.
Can I call it? Get out. I have a wish to make. I have
What?
to make a wish.
Okay, you want to try that again? A falling star.
I call it. Get out. I have to make a wish.
There you go.
I did it.
All right. Number 14. Reach out to an old friend.
No.
I have no friends.
Thank you for being a friend.
Oh my gosh. What is with the singing today?
I don't know. And these aren't. Man, they need Golden Girl socks. That's what they need.
Oh, they do.
Better call Target right now.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. They're
those
kissing.
are cute.
He's got like.
Audrey likes socks, just so you know.
She's like, this one's mine.
I'll take this one. Oh.
She's like, no.
This is every day when I'm folding laundry. She's relentless.
Okay, and the last
Last
one. Oh, she's squirting him with water. And show your pet or friend's pet some extra love.
Oh, didn't we not just give her
We
socks?
just did give her, like, let her play with some socks.
Ha.
Okay.
Ha.
Elvis.
No, I don't
No
know this.
Elvis. Darn it.
But that was like the best.
These are cute, though. Look at this. This guy, I'm drinking out of a
Aloha.
coconut, and it says aloha. And it's got leaves on the other side. Cute. All right. So those are the Lilo and Lilo and Stitch socks.
I know, socks gets to your head.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
And but I will
Stitch.
we'll take some close-up pictures here, and don't forget, if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans?
Bye.
Bye, bye, Audrey.
Vivi!